Welcome to our guide on how to access vendor module permission levels in Docket. Efficient management of vendor information is crucial for smooth business operations. Docket offers 3 permission levels to control access and responsibilities within the vendor's feature. Understanding these permission levels ensures accurate vendor data management. Vendor's permission levels. None. Users with this level of access do not have any permissions to view or manage the vendor's data, including vendor contact details, payment terms, and transaction history. Viewer. Users with this level of access can view the vendor's data, including vendor contact details, payment terms, and transaction history. Admin. Users with this level of access have complete control over the vendor's data. They can view, edit, and manage vendor information, including adding new vendors, updating vendor details, deleting vendors if necessary, managing vendor payments, pushing vendors to additional businesses, and tracking vendor transaction history. And there you have it. You have now learned how to access vendor module permission levels in Docket. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.